In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set permissions in WhatsApp. This is a valuable skill that allows you to manage your group chats effectively. Whether you want to control who can send messages or edit settings, knowing how to set permissions is essential. So let's get started. First, launch WhatsApp on your mobile device. When you open the app, you will see your chats displayed on the main screen. This is where all your conversations are located. It is crucial to ensure that you are logged into the correct account as permissions apply to your specific groups. Once the app is open, you will be ready to navigate to the group whose permissions you want to set. This step sets the stage for the actions that follow. Next, open the group that you wish to manage. You can do this by selecting it from your list of chats. Once inside the group, you will see the messages exchanged among group members. This is where you can view the interactions and contributions of all participants. By accessing the correct group, you ensure that the permissions you are about to set will have the desired impact. This matters because managing group dynamics effectively can enhance communication and collaboration. Now tap the group subject or name at the top of your screen. When you do this, a new screen will appear showing details about the group. You will see options like Group Info displayed prominently. This screen allows you to make various adjustments to the group settings, including permissions. It is important to navigate here because this is where you will find all the controls you need to manage who can do what in your group. From there, tap on Group Permissions. This option will direct you to a settings page specific to permissions for the group. Here, you will see several options related to what members can do. It is essential to understand this step because it gives you the authority to customize how your group functions. By controlling permissions, you can prevent confusion and ensure everyone knows their role within the chat. Next up, toggle permissions for edit group settings, send messages, or add other members. Each of these settings plays a crucial role in how your group operates. For example, if you toggle send messages to only admins, only designated administrators can post messages. This can significantly reduce noise in larger groups. Adjusting these permissions allows you to tailor the experience of your group chat to meet your needs. Remember, these changes help maintain a smooth and organized communication flow. Finally, make sure to save any changes you've made. Once you've toggled the permissions to your satisfaction, look for a save or confirmation prompt. This step is vital because it ensures that your adjustments are applied correctly. You may see a confirmation message indicating that your permissions have been updated successfully. This reassures you that your adjustments are now active, enhancing your control over the group dynamics. If following these steps, you can effectively set permissions in WhatsApp. This will allow you to manage your groups better and create a more organized environment for discussions. Understanding how to set these permissions is essential for maintaining a productive chat atmosphere. With these skills, you can lead your groups with confidence and clarity.